Hey folks, this video will teach you how to pronounce the Brazilian Portuguese word Salvador. The correct pronunciation is Salvador. Once again, Salvador. Depending on the accent, you might hear it pronounced as Salvador or Salvador. Salvador is the capital city of the state of Bahia, but Salvador also means savior. But remember, the correct pronunciation is always the one that people can understand, so don't be afraid. Choose whatever is easiest for you. Let's say it one more time. Salvador or Salvador or Salvador. You've got it. If you have any other word suggestions, feel free to comment below. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.